As a self-publisher, you should always be looking at ways that you can gain an advantage to other self-publishers when it comes to niche research, category research, keywords, and being able to find those profitable niches that will help you to sell more books. Now, I've been a strong advocate for Publisher Rocket for the last few years because it's been my go-to software platform for finding those keywords and even using them for Amazon advertising. So I'm pleased to announce that Publisher Rocket have a brand new 2023 Insights tool that will help you significantly when you're looking for books, the right niches and categories. So what I'm going to do in a moment is to jump onto my dashboard and show you the new feature, but I just want to show you a couple of those key features that Publisher Rocket will provide with this new Insight tool in a moment. Now, if you haven't used Publisher Rocket before, then make sure you check it out. There's a link below in the description and you can get access to Publisher Rocket for the one-time fee of under $100 and there's no subscription models involved, and that's why I love Publisher Rocket, because once I've purchased it, that's it. I don't have to worry about any monthly ongoing fees associated with it. And it's been a fantastic tool for me. It's been directly responsible for helping me to find a number of amazing niches for my books, but also helping me with marketing and also trying to find the right keywords for my Amazon ads. So let's get straight into this Insight tool, and it's fresh and hot off the press. So let me show you right now. When you open up Publisher Rocket, under the category search component, click there, and this will then take you to the traditional category search that you can go ahead and find different categories that might be suitable for your book. You can either select books, Kindle or Audible. So Audible is a new feature of Publisher Rocket that you can use as well. But if we wanted to find out a certain category and it's just under books, if we were to look at, say, puzzle books. So just write puzzle. And then we've got the children's books, activities, games, puzzles, and then we've got this new Insights tool. So it'll tell us how many sales to number 1. It'll also tell us how many sales to number 10 in the rankings, whether large publishers are publishing in this area, and then we click our Insights tool here. So Publisher Rocket will go ahead and provide the number of sales and also the data that we just saw before, but it provides some other key insights. And we'll just wait for this to load up, and it will provide a graph. Now, it'll give you a bit of a look at what's happening with the growth, but we've got some key information here. So we've also got the average indie, being the independent author's price. You can also just hover above the question mark, and that will give you more information. You've got the average days that the key sellers in this book category are selling for. So the average amount of days since publication for books with significant sales in the category. You've got the star rating and the average page count. You've also got the category growth. So this is the sales per month. So this category under puzzles, we're finding that there's been a 10% growth, or 10 plus sales per month growth. And then you've also got the category overview. So it's suggesting that's a relatively flat growth and a monthly rate of 0% at the moment, but it does rank in the top 10% of all Amazon categories. So expect high competition, but also high profit. Then you've got category insights. So lower prices with lower margins. Publishing this category may require competitive pricing. You've got shorter books than most, and then a high number of ratings, means books are well read and potentially more competitive. So they're the main key tools that we've got here. But let's take a look at another one. If we go down and we'll do a sales to number 1. So let's go up here. So if you were creating a book about math games, then you've only got to get 28 sales to get the bestsellers badge and only 6 sales to get into that area. Large publishers are only 26% involved. Let's go to Insights. Let's find out whether this is a growth category or it's in decline. So we'll just wait for this data to come up. It's currently in decline. So there are 30 sales less this month than the typical amount. So you can see it's got significantly declining at a rate of 8%. So it may not be a category that you want to get into specifically. So this will provide you with those key insights. We can also do a C-related categories tab here. And this will provide us with the relative categories to what you were searching for. So this will cover off different maths, activities, games, and puzzle books. And you might think that there might be another category in here that you might want. Let's go back to previous insights. Actually, we'll go back to category search and we'll do one more and check out what we can find out. So we're going to go down here. We might this time go to children's books. So we go check it out. Let's have a look down here. We'll have a look at sales to number 1. So let's go up here a little bit. We're going to let's go to, we'll try motorsports. Sports and outdoors, motorsports. So there's not a lot of large publishers involved with this. If you go to insights, then this will tell us that it's only 28 sales to a bestsellers badge, and this has a category growth. If you can see, October was a big number of sales for this category for the top 30 sellers. And you can see there's a trajectory going up all the time. It's relatively flat, but it's had growth of 5%. Expect low competition, making it easier to rank as a bestseller. There's low activities from large publishers, so you could probably get into this area quite easily. And if we go to related categories as well, we can find out the different categories. We can see in sales number 1, only 7. If you go to Kindle and you have 7 sales, you will be able to earn the number 1 bestsellers badge. That's under the Kindle, remember. If you have a look at the different activities here, we've got transportation. And if you want to check out a link, for example, if we go to motorsports here, we can go to a link, and this link will take us to where the motorsports are, and it will show you the different books that are included in this category. And you might think that this is a great category for you to get into. This is a really low ranked book, so it's 2,329. If we have a look at this, 26 pages, 1 to 3-year-old, it's number 1 in children's motorsports books. And if we have a look at these, it's all about ABCs. So it doesn't provide us with a look inside feature, but we can go down and we can find out if there's a video. So there is. So you can see a customer review and you can see what they've included. But you've also got the reviews. You can find out what works, what doesn't work. And so far this is ranked quite high. And you've also got the customer pictures right here. So that could be an area that you'd like to get into. And you can see how quickly I was able to find the categories by searching and using Publisher Rocket to get those great niches. And I think that these new insight tools are going to be amazing for you to find those profitable niches and to determine if it's a niche you should go into. So let's have a very quick look again. We've got our key stats, and that includes things as the price, age, ratings, and page count. So you've got that main line there. Then we've got our sales trend graph. So this will tell us whether things are trending upwards or whether they're declining, and that'll give you a good look from over a period of what we've got here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 months of data from the top 30 bestsellers. You've got the unique insights, which is this little box over here, and that will let you know whether the category is in growth, and the insights here that will provide the prices, different information that might be important for you to look over before you get into that particular niche. And that will also compare the rest of Amazon and let you know all about it. And then we've also got the category growth, which I love because it just means I can tell whether that category is growing or whether it is remaining stagnant or even declining. And the Insights tool will provide you with all that information as well. So there you have it. That's a new feature on Publisher Rocket that I highly recommend that you go and check out if you already have Publisher Rocket. If you don't have Publisher Rocket, the link below is available for you to go ahead to check out the features and to then decide whether Publisher Rocket is right for you. So thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Romney, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about self-publishing and how I can help you to sell more books. Until then, I'll see you later on.